how do I request a copy of my last year's tax return? Okay, interesting point. Lots of people need to do that. It's a great idea to have last year's tax return to help with this year's tax return. You know, most items you have last year, probably going to have another one this year, so it's a great idea to do that. If for some reason you didn't keep your copy last year, the IRS will help you with that. They have a form called Form 4506. I'm going to go right to the IRS website and search on that form. You can see right here, Form 4506, request for copy of tax return. Pretty easy to do. You need to fill out the top part you see here, just name and address. If you filed a joint return last year, you'll see boxes 1B and 2B. You need to have your Social Security number and your spouse's Social Security number on the form. So basically pretty easy. There's a place here to put exactly which period you're requesting. Last year, 2009 return, 2008 return. You can basically request old returns for up to 3 years. So this is the way to do that form, and that usually takes a couple of weeks to get that back to you. Now there's another option here, other than just getting a complete new copy of your tax return. There's also a form you see here, Form 4506T. Now that form just gives you a request for a transcript. So they don't send you actually copies of the pages, the copies of the forms, but they can send you things like your W-2s, how much was included on this particular line item, how much you ended up paying. You see right here in the middle, there's a bunch of different levels of information that you can request. The amount of all of the reports that were attached, any 1099 reports, all of those type of things. But you can download this form 4506T, again, right here on mahalo.com, or you can go to irs.gov. Either one of those two forms most likely will give you the information that you're looking for. So that's the way to find previous year's tax information. Now it's also a good idea if you're concerned about it, and I've had a couple of people ask this question over the years, are you sure you filed your tax return? You know, you asked your spouse to file it, your spouse thought you filed it. Did you file your return? I can't remember if you filed it. You could actually send in this 4506T and that'll let you know whether or not you remembered to file the return on April 18th. So that's something to keep in mind if that comes up. Now that you listen to Mahalo.com, that's not going to happen to you because you're going to remember, but that's another good reason to use one of those forms. So keep that in mind as well.